Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The Honda Civic has remained a symbol of reliability, performance, and innovation in the automotive world for decades. Since its debut in the early 1970s, it has consistently evolved, adapting to modern trends, technological advancements, and customer preferences. Whether it's a daily driver, a sporty weekend car, or a fuel-efficient commuter, the Civic offers a perfect balance of practicality and excitement. With each generation, Honda has refined and enhanced the Civic, making it one of the most trusted and admired vehicles in the global market. One of the defining aspects of the Honda Civic is its engine performance. The standard models typically come equipped with a fuel-efficient inline-4 engine, designed to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience. Over the years, Honda has introduced turbocharged variants, which provide more power while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The latest models are engineered to strike the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, making them an ideal choice for both city and highway driving. The Civic Type R, a high-performance variant, takes things to another level, featuring a turbocharged engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque. This version is built for driving enthusiasts who crave speed, precision, and agility on the road or even on the racetrack. Beyond performance, the exterior design of the Honda Civic is one of its strongest selling points. The modern Civic models boast a sleek and aerodynamic profile, with sharp lines and aggressive styling that give it a sporty and dynamic look. The front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body panels all contribute to its bold presence on the road. Honda offers various trims and color options, allowing customers to personalize their Civic according to their taste. The sportier trims come with additional enhancements such as larger alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and unique badging that further distinguish them from the standard models. Stepping inside, the Honda Civic offers a refined and driver-centric cabin. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a well-laid-out dashboard create a premium feel. The latest Civic models come with a digital instrument cluster, providing clear and customizable driving information. The infotainment system features a touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music, and hands-free communication. For those who enjoy a premium audio experience, higher trims offer an upgraded sound system that enhances the overall driving pleasure. The seats are designed for comfort, with options for leather upholstery, heating, and power adjustment in the top trims. Despite being a compact car, the Civic provides ample legroom and cargo space, making it a practical choice for families, road trips, or daily commutes. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the Civic is no exception. It comes equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist features designed to enhance safety and reduce the risk of accidents. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These technologies work together to provide a safer and more confident driving experience. The Civic's rigid body structure and multiple airbags further contribute to its high safety ratings, ensuring maximum protection for occupants in the event of a collision. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Honda Civic excels. Honda has always been known for producing economical and environmentally friendly vehicles, and the Civic continues that legacy. The standard models offer impressive fuel economy, making them an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. For those who want even greater efficiency, Honda offers hybrid variants that deliver exceptional mileage with reduced emissions. This makes the Civic not only a cost-effective choice but also an environmentally responsible one. Honda's attention to detail and commitment to quality ensure that the Civic remains a reliable vehicle for years. It has a reputation for longevity, with many older Civic models still running strong on the roads today. The maintenance costs are relatively low compared to other vehicles in its segment, and Honda's widespread service network makes it easy for owners to access repairs and spare parts. This reliability factor is one of the reasons why the Civic maintains a high resale value, making it a smart investment for buyers. Over the years, Honda has also introduced different body styles for the Civic, including sedan, coupe, and hatchback variants. The sedan remains a popular choice due to its balanced design, while the hatchback offers extra versatility with its spacious cargo area. The coupe, although not as commonly produced in recent years, has always been favored by those who prefer a sportier and more compact design. Regardless of the body style, the Civic maintains its core characteristics of efficiency, reliability, and driving pleasure. The Civic Type R deserves a special mention for being one of the most thrilling performance cars in its class. Unlike the standard Civic, the Type R is engineered with track-inspired features, including a high-performance suspension system, aggressive aerodynamics, and a powerful turbocharged engine. The large rear wing, bold exterior styling, and racing-inspired interior elements make it clear that this is not just an ordinary Civic. It's designed for those who want an adrenaline rush every time they get behind the wheel. Despite its performance-focused nature, the Type R remains surprisingly practical, offering a comfortable ride and decent fuel efficiency for a car of its caliber. Honda's continuous innovation in the Civic lineup ensures that each new generation remains relevant in an ever-changing automotive landscape. With the introduction of hybrid and electric technology, future Civic models are expected to become even more efficient and environmentally friendly. Honda has also been focusing on enhancing the driving experience with better connectivity, autonomous driving features, and smarter infotainment systems. In conclusion, the Honda Civic remains a benchmark in the compact car segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a young professional looking for a stylish commuter car, a family in need of a practical sedan, or a driving enthusiast seeking a high-performance machine, the Civic has something for everyone. With its strong reputation, innovative features, and Honda's commitment to excellence, the Civic continues to be one of the best-selling and most loved cars worldwide.